Officer Barnes, staff.
All right, everybody, settle down and listen up. We've got active shooters in the Watt Community College campus. From what we know right now, they are contained inside the science wing, but we all know that could change. We've had numerous reports coming in, and we know there are victims dead and alive. We don't have time to mess around on this one.
How many shooters are there?
We don't know exactly. The reports have been varied, but we do know there are at least two, probably more. 2 campus security officers are at the scene. We don't know where, but we've got their details, and one is former LSPD.
Do we have contact with them?
No. We got the info based on what one of the 911 callers provided, and we don't have time to waste. We need to lock down that wing and close ground on them ASAP. I want you all to be ready. We're working to see if we can find a possible location based on the calls we're getting and the rooms the callers are in, but we're moving fast. If we don't have it when we pull up, we're going in without it.
What are our entry points?
The science wing has 3 main entrances. I want to hit all 3 at once. We're not giving them a chance to get out once we arrive. We've got uniforms coming in too, locking down the campus and doing all the footwork. It should be obvious, but we're going in with lethal force, boys. These assholes are shooting kids. My kid went to this college, goddammit.
This call is being recorded. What is your emergency? What is your emergency?
I need help.
Can you tell me what's wrong?
I'm hiding. There's blood. So much blood.
Okay, I'm going to need you to stay calm. Do you know where you are?
No, they don't.
No, I mean, where are you?
Hiding in a cupboard. They came in and just started shooting.
Okay, that's good. Where's the cupboard?
In a classroom.
You're doing great. So you're at school. Which school?
What college? Please, come help me. I don't want to die.
I need you to stay calm. The police are on their way, okay? They are on their way. Stay where you are.
I don't want to. Please don't let me die.
Stay calm. Remain where you are. Is the shooter nearby?
I don't know. Don't make me look.
Ma'am, I'm not asking you to do anything of the sort. Stay where you are.
Oh, God.
Ma'am?
They're coming back.
Stay calm. I'm right here with you.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. No, please, no!
911, this call's being recorded. What is your emergency?
I've been shot.
Okay, can you tell me your location?
I'm at the Watt Community College. 3 guys just came into the science block and opened fire.
Where are they now?
I don't know. There are bodies everywhere. Please send help.
The LSPD are on the way, sir. I need you to stay calm. Can you tell me how badly you're hurt?
They shot me in the back. I tried to run. There's blood, and I can't... Oh, Christ, I can't move my legs.
It's all going to be okay. Stay calm. Don't worry. Help is coming.
Do you promise?
The LSPD are en route, sir. We have paramedics coming too. Just remain calm, and if you can in any way, find some cover.
I never told my mom I loved her. I always tell her before I leave the house, but today I didn't. Oh God, it hurts so bad.
Try to remain calm. What's your name?
George.
Okay, George. Just stay calm. Don't make any noise or draw attention to yourself.
Where are they?
Who? The shooters? Are they coming back?
The police, where are they?
The LSPD are on their way. I promise. But listen to me, George. You need to stay quiet.
Oh God, I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. I love you.
George? George, can you hear me? George! 911, this call is being recorded. What's your emergency?
I need the police. You need to send the police right away.
Okay, ma'am. Can I take your location?
Yes, I'm at the Watt Community College campus. There's someone shooting. I don't know what's going on, but they told me to call.
Who told you to call?
The officers who were here, the security, I mean, they heard the shots, told me to call, and ran to help.
Can I take your name?
I'm Sarah Chambers.
All right, Sarah. Tell me what happened.
There's someone shooting at the school.
We've already got officers en route. Can you see the shooters?
No, it's not here. It's over in one of the buildings. I'm just working at the coffee kiosk. I don't know what's going on.
That's fine. Good that you're safe. Do you know anything about how many shooters there are?
No, I'm sorry. I don't know anything. The security guys were here ordering a coffee like they do every morning, and when we all heard something, it sounded like firecrackers, but far away. The security guys dropped their drinks, told me to call 911, and ran off.
That's great, Sarah. You've done really well. As I said, the LSPD is en route. We don't know how many shooters there are, so I'm gonna have to ask you to immediately find shelter.
I can hide here. There's no one around, but please, hurry.
Element, this is Talk. Status of the active shooter threat is currently unknown. Move in and secure the area quickly.
Red team, open in flashbang.
I'm on it.
Banging.
Get down on your knees!
Entry team to Talk.
Blue, provide cover.
Secure the area for any
Red,
contact
lock the
reporting.
door.
Notifying medical.
I'll zip it up. They're good. Lead to Talk. Good to go. Detaining.
Talk to lead. Move on.
Securing.
Down on your
Good to go.
knees! Move in and clear it.
Civilian is covered.
Stay on me.
Got your six.
LSPD, don't drop the weapon now! Police, get down! There, move.
On the move.
Stay quiet.
Entry team to Talk. Suspect secure.
Talk to lead.
Red
Notifying
team.
trailers.
We're with the LSPD.
Ram and clear.
I'm good to go. Talk.
Civilian ready for transport.
Talk to element. Send them.
Swap.
Hands up, now!
Let's go. Opening on the left. Looks clear over here, boss. I got nothing here. Going in.
Drop the weapon and put it down and keep your hands. Police, get down!
I'm not stopping!
Hey, let's switch.
Don't you fucking move.
Breaching! Opening on the right. We'll
Entry
secure
team
over
to
here,
talk.
boss.
We got a suspect here ready for escort.
Talk to entry team. Continue with objectives.
Put your hands up!
Let's see if we can calm him down first.
Red, open and clear.
Got it.
Fall in.
On you.
On me. I'm with you.
Go, get down and put
Down on the ground, now!
LSPD!
Down on your knees, hands up!
Search and secure the area.
Hands up, don't move!
I got him.
where I can see them.
Making it safe, securing.
Search and secure.
And ready. Talk.
Hands up
Entry
above
team,
your
this is
head!
Talk.
Hands on
Trailers
your
en
head,
route.
now! Hands on your head, move! Hands up, do it now! Hands on your head! Police, get your hands up!
Doing it slowly.
Use the door jamb.
I'll get him ready.
Start a search.
Yep.
Put your hands up!
Civilian is
I
covered
got
and
it.
good to go.
Provide support.
Right with you.
Hands up! Down on your knees!
Search and secure.
Restrained. Compliant.
Are there any others?
Civilian restrained.
Let me see those hands!
Red team, move in and clear it.
Getting into position.
Move and clear. Stack.
Down on the ground, move!
Put your hands up now! I'm going. Moving.
Hallway right
Open
now.
on the
left.
Talk here.
Open on the right.
On the left.
Police, don't move!
Cam wide.
On me. Move. Fall in behind me. Secure the area.
All right.
Get down!
Moving into handcuffs.
Get on the ground, now!
We'll
Civilian
search the
ready
room
to
for
go.
contacts.
10-4.
Element to talk.
Police, don't move!
Element.
Down on your
Talk.
goddamn knees,
Trailers
now!
incoming. Proceed with caution.
Get down, I want to see hands! Police, down on the ground!
Stay on the ground. Get up.
On my six.
You got point.
Enter the room and clear.
Affirmative.
Go.
Talk to entry team. Keep going.
Through the door and clear.
Get down, now!
Begin a search. Secure any
Okay.
contacts.
We're police.
Hands up!
Civilian's ready. Leads. Civilian is good to go. Compliant.
Lead, this is Talk. Send them.
Search and secure the area.
Hands up, above your head!
Making it
Start a
safe.
search.
Acknowledged.
Secured.
Blue. Element. Red. Move in. Clear the room.
On the right.
Where are they? Put your fucking hands up!
Driving the light.
Get on the ground, now! Police,
Moving
hands
in.
up! Keep your hands up!
This is for safety.
Opening on the right.
Blue team. Search and secure.
Checking.
I got it.
got it.
Follow my direction.
Red team. Secure the area.
Got
I'm
it.
not gonna leave you.
Talk.
Civvy is ready.
Civilian
This
is
is
cuffed.
Talk. Beauty.
Element
Keep them
to talk.
coming. Talk here. Trailers inbound.
Stay here and don't make any noise.
Search the room for contacts.
Acknowledged.
Enter and clear.
I'm on
Red. Begin a search. Secure any contacts.
Moving into handcuffs.
Search and secure the
Got
area.
it.
Get down, I want to see hands!
Good to go. Element to talk.
Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
Put
This
your
is
hands
Talk.
up!
Send them our way.
LSPD, we're getting you out of here. Something ready. Entry team to talk. Civilian ready for transport.
Talk reporting. Trailers en route.
There's an opening here. Open on the left. Lights stick out. Nothing.
Swap. Move, move, move!
Lead, this is Talk.
Empty over
All
here.
bombs,
Contact.
contact. Good work, entry team.
All teams start a search.
Searching.
What's happening? I don't understand.
Turn around. Keep your hands up. Stay here. Do not get in our way.
What the fuck are you doing?
Element to talk. Civilian good to go for evac. Search and secure.
Talk to Element. Trailer's ready.
Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
Get out of here! I'm a student. I can't.
Hands on your head! Do it now! Hands up! Drop to your knees!
Oh, please! You've got the wrong...
Talk.
Entry team,
Civilian
this is
standing
Talk.
by for trailer.
Good job,
Secure the
everyone.
area.
Roll in.
I'd like to talk to you. Swing by my desk when you have a chance. We're all dealing with things, but you gotta stay strong for those counting on you. You're under a lot of pressure. Remember to take care of yourself, not just at work, but at home too. It's good to see you looking happier. Keep it up.
Sergeant Walsh, 435.